So if you are new to the channel, I have reviewed 2 different PRX models, the Powermatic 80 version and the quartz version, both of them in blue, and they have both left the collection. So there's that. They weren't getting enough wrist time. I gave one to a friend, the other one I sold, and I figured that's it for my PRX journey. And then they released one, and that's the one I have in this box right now. I ordered this from TeddyBaldassar.com. I will leave a review for Teddy Baldassar later on, but for right now, I have a PRX in front of me. This one is the gold version, and I mean, if I can't afford the Vacheron 222, this is the next best thing. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this box up, do a little unboxing. I'm super excited to see what lies in store, how this fits. Supposedly this is a 40mm version, so it's still the same size as the previous ones that I got. It's kind of hard to cut this around the microphone, but okay, let's check out the packaging here real quick. Nice, nice. And here it is. Looks like Tissot changed up their packaging. Interesting. I'm excited to show you guys this. But before I do, let me go ahead and give you my wristwatch check of the day. I am wearing the BASE FD1. Now, BASE is a micro brand that I'm starting, so please go to the description below, click our Kickstarter page to get notified of when that's going to launch. Go to our website, sign up for our newsletter, Instagram, everything is down there. So please go to the description, click those links, and let's flip this camera and get started. So here it is, the new 2022 Tissot PRX. Let's go ahead and unbox this. So as you can see, the box is a little bit different. We have Tissot written on this side, nothing written on this side, recyclable sleeve, and we have all of the logos throughout the years on both sides. Yeah, same exact printing on both of the sides. So it's very similar, but a little bit different. Removing the sleeve, we have the Tissot T and the Switzerland flag. Once again, Tissot written on that side, and on the bottom, what does this say? Time is precious, the planet is too. 100% recyclable packaging. So that's cool. Let's go ahead and remove this upper box, and there's the Tissot PRX gold version. So over here we have the city. Looks like this is the Tissot plant. What do we have in here? This is, nothing's in there, just a little extra packaging. And down here, let's see what we have here. 2-year warranty card, customer service, manual. So we don't get the books like we did before, but I mean, once you have it once, do you really need it again? So let's go ahead, move that over to the side, and take a look at the watch itself. All right, it's wrapped up pretty nice. So I decided to go with the gold version because I wanted a gold watch that is going to stand the test of time. I have that SNKK52 from Seiko. I think this is gonna fit a little bit better. I think it's gonna be a little bit better build, but I'm gonna go ahead and compare those two anyways. Let me go ahead and take off this packaging. Check out that bad boy, man. Take off the plastic here. Much easier to take off the plastic on this version than the previous versions, because those previous versions I was having the most difficult time getting rid of all that plastic. We even have a piece of plastic back here. Oof, yeah. And it doesn't look like there's anything on the crystal. Ooh, this looks nice. I am not upset at this at all. So here it is, the Tissot PRX, and man, did I miss this watch. Just that bracelet just looks so nice with those flat links, polished sides of those links. Man, it's all PVD gold. Once again, this is going to be a great substitute for the inability to buy the Vacheron 222. That is the biggest deal. I decided to go with the quartz version and hold off on the Powermatic 80 version just because I like the simplicity of quartz, especially in this watch where I'm going to just pick it up and go. put it on with just certain outfits, especially in summer. I just wanted something quick that I don't have to mess with the time or the date and everything. Everything is just fine, ready to go. But this looks absolutely amazing. I love the dial on this. Let me try to get closer here. I don't know if you could really see it, but it is vertically brushed to go along with the vertically brushed links and case. Man, that looks absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, so I have my standard gold watch is the Seiko SNKK52, but those have hollow end links. And I mean, it looks really good, don't get me wrong, but it's a little bit smaller in size. Let me see what this is, because I thought this was supposed to be the 35 millimeter, but I think this is 40. Yeah. Dead on 40 millimeters. So this is just the exact same case as the previous model. So if you do want the 35 millimeter option, I believe that is coming out, but not right now, at least not what I saw on Teddy Baldessar's website. So this does come with the quick release spring bars as well. I don't know if they sell the straps separately, but they do have different strap options for the PRX. Still the same. It's pretty much the same exact watch, except for PVD coated. But man, does that look nice. Let me go ahead and pop it on the wrist. Let me go ahead and take off my base FD1 here. And let's see what this is all about. I'm excited. I am excited. So here it is on my 7.5-inch wrist, and my God, I am so happy I made this purchase again. Full gold. This is going to be my summer watch. I absolutely love it. This is going to go great with all my floral shirts, just my tank tops, just everything. This is going to be amazing. I love looking like just straight up Guido Mafia. Absolutely love it. So let me go ahead, flip this camera back around, and I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So there it is, the Tissot PRX in PVD gold. Absolutely am blown away with this thing. So first of all, I love the PRX line. Like I said, I just didn't have a spot for it in my collection. But now this is going to replace my SNKK52 as my gold watch. Super excited to add this. And I'm going to do a comparison between the two, the SNKK52 and this Tissot PRX. Just from the overall size and the build quality of the Tissot, I'm thinking that this is going to win out. It just feels a little bit more hefty on the wrist. It is quartz, and there's just a better presence. I love the bracelet. It is, oh my God. The polishing of the bezel, the vertical brushing, the brushing on the dial, the bracelet is so nice on the PRX. They nailed this bracelet. Absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite things about this watch. Everything about the coating of this watch looks great. There's not really any defects that I can see. The clasp is 100% fine. Snaps nice and easy. Case back solid. Movement solid. Quartz. Nothing you can complain about. The only thing I can see right now is that the date disc they used is white and it's not gold. So that's probably like the only knock I can see on it. But I mean, you can't really tell. Gold dial with a white date window. It's, you know, it's enough to blend in. But overall, I absolutely love this thing. Man, I'm excited to size this up and put this on today. This is nice. So please, if you're interested in BASE timepieces, follow the links below to our website and our Kickstarter. And if you want to see the reviews of the PRX, please click either of these links right here to those videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.